roundup from our day one. What did we do yesterday? We arrived, we woke up at 3 a.m. in the morning to get our first flight to come to Porto. So we were here around noon, something like that, because we had a transfer in Lisbon, and then the sun was shining. We were sitting at the terrace at the river and drank some wine, had some lunch, and then we did the boat tour, so we had an amazing time. Yesterday evening we went for a restaurant, which was nice. I probably saw the footage of it, and now we are ready for day 2 of Porto. This is also our final day. We didn't do a lot of sightseeing yesterday, so this will be for today. So we will take you on a tour to Porto. We have a walk scheduled of about 1 hour or 2 hours, so we will take you to the main highlights of Porto while we are enjoying a little bit of the sunshine, because it's December in Porto. Come, join us. Yes, so we are at the Rua Santa Catarina, and we will start our tour. First we will walk down the shopping street, so let's see how long that will take us, and then we will continue our tour for the sightseeing. So we are in front of the Santa Catarina church. We just went inside, it's free, and we light a candle. What do we need to do when we're in church? We need to be very quiet. Yes, very good. Now we are in front of the church Clergymen. It's open daily, so let's see inside if it's a nice church. Unfortunately, we couldn't enter the church as it is required an entry fee. So we made our way to the stunning Cathedral of Porto. And boy, what was it a climb. There were stairs everywhere. Jeroen had to carry the stroller with little Gabriella inside all the way to the top. It was quite the workout, but totally worth it. To make the moment even more magical, there was a live band playing music at the square, and it adds a beautiful soundtrack to the breathtaking scenery. So this is the biggest cathedral full of Porto. We did all of the stairs to get here, so we are a bit tired, but it's in the sunshine, and you will have views on the river from above and also views from the city. So it's a great place to be. It's actually really nice, and there are music playing. Unfortunately, you have no place to drink here. I want the terrace and a coffee or a drink. Now we are making our way back to the beautiful Douro River for lunch. From up here at the cathedral, you can really see just how high we are. It's absolutely breathtaking, but what goes up must come down. So now it's time to tackle the descent. Let's go! Time for a break. So we have set it down at the strip where the water is. You have all the Douro. How is the river actually called? I don't know. Douro? We have to check. But it's next to the river. You're sitting here. There is no wind, in the sun, so it's time to get. It's 40 degrees, so we're the only ones sitting here in a t-shirt. But when the sun is shining and there's no wind, it's perfect. We stopped at a sushi place, and they actually have sushi and pizza, which is an ideal combination because we want to eat sushi and she wanted to eat pizza. So we ordered pizza margherita for her, and then for us it's sushi coming. So our sushi has arrived. Gabriella is eating from her delicious pizza, and we will try some sushi because tonight we have big dinner plans. So this is like a light lunch. So we are at the famous bridge Luís I, and we are currently crossing with good weather. This is the strip, if you look down, where we just ate and we had a few drinks, and now we are walking all the way to the next stage where you see the monastera, and maybe we'll visit it. It depends on what the mood of our daughter is. But look at the views, look at the views, it's amazing, yeah. Look! And look over there, Gabriela. Wow! We ate there, eh? That's where you ate your pizza. Yeah. So, we are at the Monastera of Porto. We did a lot of steps. It was very steep, and we crossed the bridge to come here. This is UNESCO World Heritage, but apart from the fact that it's beautiful, I think you have the most beautiful side at the other side of the camera, which is the city vibe. Look at that. That is where we just ate, sat down, relaxed in the sun. You've seen a lot of sights of Porto already, but I think this is the most beautiful part to see. They should make a terrace here. Gabriela is somewhere in that house, so let's check out our daughter. Gabriela! No, she's in the glitter house. Yes, we're in a tabernario, and it's right next to the water, so we are seated upstairs, and it's nice and cozy, and you have view on the waterfront, so that's kind of cool. You have different sorts of food here, like street food, tapas, but also traditional Portuguese dishes, so let's see what the night will bring. But I think it's definitely a good place to finish our 2 days in Porto, but first we have dinner. Our food has arrived, let's check it out.
Mama, is dat een net?
Nee, het is rooksaus. Try it?
Mommy?
So we got some
Right?
street food,
Yes, we ordered street food. What do we have? We have a bao bun.
shrimp, hot dogs.
And the bao bun, I don't know what it is. I think it's pork bao bun. We have some shrimp hot dogs, and that is actually a croquette with cod inside, also between a bao bun. So let's start. If we finish this, we will probably take the cheese platter as a dessert, but it's not expensive. Huh? I think what now is put, what is now on the table is €40, all of it. So we are on our second plane back to Belgium. This was our trip to Porto. We are heading back with 𝐷AP Portugal, and we do it in 2 flights. So we flew first from Porto to Lisbon, and then we had a 1 hour in between, and now we are on our second flight to Belgium. And today is New Year's Eve, so when we get home, we will be celebrating New Year's Eve together. Bye bye, like and subscribe, and see you in our next video.